Open your mind with your eyes closed. Hey, hey. Don't be scared, but yeah, baby, I know. Ooh, open your mind with your eyes closed.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again. So I'm back out, gonna give this another shot. Of course, I'm always gonna keep on trying. I'm just trying to relearn everything just from back to the basics, pretty much. So a few days ago, or actually a couple days ago, I didn't really have much luck, as you guys already saw. I did get a really bad sunburn out of it, so there was a sign kind of telling me that I'm doing something wrong here. I didn't put sunblock on. So we're going to be fishing a different area today. Wind's picking up pretty hard, but a lot of coverage, which is really cool. And this is a pretty big lake, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to see how it goes. I got some finesse stuff that's going on. I'm going to bring out a few different rods out. So we're going to try some and experiment some different stuff. All right, I got 2 hours on the clock. I'm going to give this shit a try. The wind's against us right now, so. Oh no. Look at that. That thing flew right into the tree. And I got it right out. Why is it so light? Oh, see, he's not spinning right. Oh, something's wrong here. Saw it. Saw it. Oh, he's bent. Oh my god. Oh, I'm like snagged on a bunch of stuff. Oh, yep. I don't think. Yeah. Oh, yep. Look at that. Okay. All right, we're gonna do a Texas rig right here. Let's put another one on. Didn't really have too much confidence with the rooster tail since it's a little bit got some algae blooms and a lot of weeds that are just growing up like crazy right now. There's an otter, or that might be a beaver. That's over there. He's swimming. You know the one place I forgot to put sunblock on? The back of my calves. Yep. I put it everywhere else, on my neck, on the back, and oh my god, on the back of my, oh no, my back of my arms. Oh my god, I put it all on the front where it's already burnt and everything. Oh.
More melanoma in your body. You'd be alright.
Ooh, what was that? I think my line, oh. Look at that, what is that? Do you see that?
Ew.
What? Alright, so since the water is dark, we're going to switch on to a black and blue Texas rig. We'll give that a shot. Water clarity is like 1 feet, I believe. Looks like it. I'm desperate. Probably gone. He's probably gone. Oh, what am I doing? I got flip-flops on and I'm just trying to walk up hills. We're not gonna talk about this. There he is. Hello. Since they didn't like the worm, let's throw, you know what? I know there's a big one in here. Is this a dark one? What is this? What color is this? Are these green? Are these all green? No way. I had some different colors in here. What is this? Maybe they are all green. Or did they die in color? What? Did it just let go? I had something. Oh no, something's biting it. But it's small. Like it's like biting its wings. It's like.
Yeah, he's like, oh, it tastes so good, but maybe in a few years, buddy. You'll grow up. I got a bunch of rocks in my flip-flops. Flippity flops. Huh?
I don't know how people can wear those.
You don't like flip-flops?
I like flip flops. That's the ones that go through your toes.
You don't like the one that go through your toes?
No, I don't like that feeling.
Why?
You know?
Wait, what kind? What it feel like?
I just don't like it. Just have something between my toes at all times.
What?
A thong.
What? It's a toe thong.
I don't want a toe thong.
Yeah, cause we fly
It's a toe thong.
so high.